In this video, I'm going to share my step-by-step process to take my dropshipping store to almost $10K in a single month, and this is not a typical method you see in most of the videos on YouTube. So if you want to know my website stats and how much money I have made from my store, stick around to the end of this video. Some of you who are just new to this dropshipping thing, this is basically a business model in which you take orders from your customers without having an inventory, and suppliers ship those orders directly to your customers. Finding a viral and problem-solving product was my first priority, and as you all know, Google, TikTok and Amazon are on top trends nowadays. You can use other platforms as well, but for me, these are the platforms I mostly rely on. If you are using other platforms like Zendrop, AutoDS and AliExpress, make sure to check demand on Amazon and Google as well. Anyway, I have applied the same strategy but in a different way. Let me explain it to you. First, I check the product people are liking most and what is best selling in Amazon bestseller category. And after locating a product, knowing that people are interested in that product, I went straight to check the Google Trends and some of the local review websites. In my case, it was productreview.com.au. Reviews websites can help you to find the best products which are trending at the time, and people are leaving the reviews after using that kind of products, and there may be very less competition in that kind of products. Now, that is not a solution to get successful at dropshipping. You have to price your product correctly, you have to advertise on right platform, and you have to ship your orders much faster than your competitors, and I am going to explain each of these in details. But before doing that, I am going to find the supplier of my product and will be sharing entire process with you. Ignored AliExpress, sometimes it takes ages to deliver the product. I focused on finding a local supplier. It can be a local website, it can be a local wholesale supplier. You can use any of those if they can drop ship for you. Or it can be a wholesale supplier if you can invest some money to purchase some inventory. Now you might be thinking it's hard to beat local supplier in prices and other things. Yes, sometimes it is. But in most of the cases, not all the local suppliers are advertising their products on social media. You can find those suppliers in your local market and you can check their products, which problem they are going to solve for the customer. So while searching for local supplier, you can also search for local website and they will also dropship for you. I am not saying that you cannot use AliExpress. Of course you can, but you have to make sure you are shipping your products more fast. In some of the cases, you can put a little inventory at your warehouse or at your place. In my case, I found a local supplier to ship the product for me, and I just kept my focus to drive the free traffic to my website. When I say free or with no money, it doesn't mean you have to spend $0. Of course, you are going to run the business, right? You should spend at least $50 to $100 to get started. I mean, you have to buy a domain, you have to purchase a Shopify plan to host your website, and you have to spend some money on creatives. So $50 to $100 is a very minimum amount considering how much money you can make through it. Barely 2-3 sales of your products will cover your initial expense. So to find a local supplier, you have to check different business directories like Yellow Pages and other websites. You can search for that product on Google to get in wholesale, and once you find a supplier, always compare their prices with your competitors and make sure they are reliable and they can ship your orders fast. As I told you earlier, I have generated all my sales with no money spent on ads, and I will show you how exactly I did that with SEO and social media. Now I have a product and supplier and my store is ready to accept orders, but to accept orders on my store, major part is marketing. Now that includes SEO, social media, writing on different websites, working with different influencers, and targeting your subscribers with emails. So on first day, I created a Facebook page and started looking for influencers in my niche. I was looking to target dads who want to buy special gifts for their children on specific occasions like Christmas and Halloween. So I put my product on Facebook Marketplace, created a page and put some video content to make it viral, and in that way I was able to generate some part of my revenue. Second thing I did was to get engaged with the local influencers to promote my product in return of commissions. I sent them direct DMs on Instagram to offer them 20% commission made through their affiliate link, and this is called affiliate marketing. I got plenty of direct visits to my website, although it's not a new store, and I have been working on that store since middle of this year. So my website was able to rank on Google against few keywords, and I also write down some articles on different websites to promote my products, like Medium is one of them. Blogging websites that has good domain authority and allows you to write on their website can help your website to rank better in search engines. So all of these things has helped me to generate more sales, and as I told you earlier, I was working on that website since past 4 to 5 months. In that way, I got plenty of newsletter subscribers. By just sending them an email about my new arrivals, about my discounts and about my products, I got even much more sales on on my Shopify store. That's why my returning customer rate was higher. And by implementing the right strategies, in just 3 days, I got 3 orders and I got almost 200 sessions on my Shopify store. So I was able to make $2,600 from just 13 orders. But if you are a beginner dropshipper, here are some secret tips for you. First is to get higher conversion rate on your Shopify store. Always use more popular payment methods such as PayPal, ZipPay, Afterpay, and other local payment providers. And the second is collect more reviews from your customers by sending them email. You can collect those reviews on Google, Facebook, and other social media platforms. And also you can offer them some discount in return of review as well. So these are the points no one will tell you. If you look at my website stats, in first 22 days we have generated almost 4K sales, almost half of our targeted revenue. Got almost 1700 sessions on my website with an average conversion rate of 1.52%, and that is without spending a cent on ads. We are now entering in last 10 days and still Black Friday and Cyber Monday has to come. My plan is currently working well and we are now going to offer discounts for a Black Friday. For that, I have installed an app on my Shopify store which is Omni-Set email marketing, and you can use that app to send emails to your customers about your discounts, about your offers. This app will help you to create discounts automatically and send to your customers on their email. You can see all of these discounts have been used at least once by our customers. So overall, including Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, we were able to make at least $10,000 in sales on our Shopify store. We got almost 67 orders with an average order value of 138 and with a conversion rate of 2.11. Now here is the thing which I would like to talk about. Only way to get higher conversion rate is sending emails to your customers, providing excellent customer support, and shipping your orders on time. My top locations are USA, UK, and Australia, but you can run your own dropshipping store from anywhere in the world by implementing the right strategies. Now I will come quickly to my traffic sources. On top of that is direct visits, which I got from emails, influencers, and through writing on different websites. Then I got visits from Google and other search engines through SEO, and also got some sales from social media as well. So I got almost 40 to 50% margins on that store, and these are pretty crazy stats for a store that has $0 marketing spend. For all those who want to start dropshipping from scratch, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get successful, and my store stats exactly prove this to be real. I am going to build a complete dropshipping course in next few days, and you will get one-on-one support with me, with my team, and that would be a game changer for 2024. It will help you to acquire all the knowledge, including how to build a store, from where to get the products to sell, how to create viral content to get more engagements on your posts, and you will also learn how to scale your store even further to build a brand. Guys, you can check the link in description. It is available for pre-order for only $17. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do mention them in the comments and I will be happy to answer those. Don't forget to share and like the video, and I will be back with more helpful content for you guys soon. Hope you had a great day.